Good morning, good afternoon, pumpers, crypto maniacs worldwide. It's the crypto commander-in-chief, your favorite YouTuber, Champagne, back with another live stream. I need you to touch the buttons for me so that we're on the top of the search results, although the cucks at crypto may be shadow banning us. So bookmark the page and come visit us every morning, weekday morning, late afternoon, late morning, early afternoon here for the good crypto word. Shout out to Rafter, man. He just jumped into the population of the chat box. Let me drop a bomb for him. Got decorated crypto soldiers here every single day. If you haven't joined the club, go ahead and bookmark the page, subscribe, do all those touching of the buttons. I need you guys to button up. Indeed, today we'll talk about Litecoin, Bitcoin on the rise. The markets are looking green out there, and it's been announced Facebook has a global coin. What will that mean for cryptos? As the rest of the boomers tune in, again, touch the like, the subscribe, the post notification, bookmark the page, stay tuned in to the good crypto word that we spread here daily. Shout out to Sergio Castro and the rest of the boomers tuning into this live broadcast. Champagne, the commander-in-chief here with my crypto capos daily with the good crypto energy. Again, we'll talk about Litecoin today, which is pumping. You know, let there be light, let there be vitamin D on the crypto valley. Bitcoin as well. You got Facebook global coin, and we'll check some of the headlines. Probably take a peek at our crypto portfolio and keep you up to date with the latest crypto kaboom. Let's go ahead and turn off these coins, share my screen, and see how the math is looking over there on CoinMarketCap. We got 252 billion worldwide. Bitcoin dominance at 56.8. It looks like we've gained about 10 billion, and that's good on the market caps. We got Bitcoin there at 8,089. Now, we said this earlier this week. $8,300 is the resistance level right now. If we can cross over 83, I smell a little baby bull run, maybe even to 10K. Okay, I called this week for a little pullback. I expected it to pull back to 73, and it didn't pull back that much, which shows me the market is stronger than some may believe, including myself. We dipped to about 76, 77 yesterday, and look where we're at now, 80, 89, looking strong. Testing that resistance level at 83. Shout out to Jose. Happy Memorial Day to you. Welcome back to the box. Ripple's trash. Bitcoin Cash at 418. Bitcoin Cash has been performing well. And I think this is due in part by the name brand. Okay, the name brand. Newbies get into these exchanges. They see Bitcoin at a price of 8K, and then they see Bitcoin Cash with a similar logo at 418. Maybe they go for that one. Okay, I think this is a newbie mistake, if you ask me. Now, I'm not against Bitcoin Cash, although I rather hold bits. You got Litecoin there at $99. Let there be light, guys. Let there be light. Now, is anybody aware of what's going on with this Mimblewimble upgrade? Are they going to do it? Are they not? We're going to have to get Charlie Lee here on the line and ask him the question. If you guys have been following the streams, I'm excited about Litecoin. Not only because it's a blue chipper that's been around for a while and it seems like a sound project, but their intent to adopt the Mimblewimble protocol and have private transactions and make the coin fungible is definitely attractive to the champ. You got EOS now at 642, looking strong. Yesterday, EOS was sub $6. And we questioned yesterday if it was a good time to start taking stabs at the dip that occurred because it was a bloodbath yesterday. I hope you guys snagged up your favorite altcoins yesterday. We talked about those altcoins that maintain the value better than Bitcoin. Chainlink has been booming this year. You got Binance has been booming as well. And we discussed top dApps. Most active blockchain. So make sure you check out yesterday's broadcast. Some good info for the boomers out there. You got Binance at its all-time highs at $33, looking strong. Stellar at 12 cents, also in the green. It looks like all the coins are in the green. Grass-fed beef today on the altcoins, guys, including Bitcoin, the king of all crypto. You got Cardano at 8 cents. Even Cardano's gained a little weight. Cardano, we're patiently waiting for the Shelly upgrade. You know the deal. Tron there at 2 cents. Up 4%. And then you got Satoshi Vision is down today, flatlining, it seems, at $99. This after the fake Toshi tried to claim a copyright, saying that he's the creator of Bitcoin. We're not believing it, guys. We're not believing this character with a bad energy. Nakamoto would never get the government involved. You guys know the deal. Monero at $86. Monero, the last true crypto out there on the top 15 at least. Dash at 160 and IOTA at as the rest of the boomers tune in. Jose's calling for a EOS at $100 by end of year. Now, that's a big prediction. I don't think it's going to go up that high. But listen, I would like to see it back to its all-time highs, which was about $20. He's also saying it's all about the lights. Let there be light, guys. Let there be light indeed. Satoshi lives in Hialeah. You should see his mango. There you go. Shout out to Jigger Romes, Kaboom Champ. Happy Friday. I see you, Jigger Romes. Let's talk about Litecoin and some of the reasons why it may be booming. If you guys don't know, the Litecoin halvening will occur soon this summer, okay? And here's an article out of CoinGate that you guys may want to check out. Posted by Navish Rustgi. Excuse me if I'm mispronouncing that. Litecoin halvening will occur before Bitcoin. Has market speculation begun? Perhaps, maybe so. Okay, you know that these halvening events are usually correlated with a price increase. Okay, that's why I'm getting excited about the Bitcoin halvening that's going to happen next year. Halvening is a phenomenon that is designed in the cryptocurrency algorithm, which reduces the rate of supply of the asset. Bitcoin will have a total amount of 21 million by year 2142. Nevertheless, more than 17 million coins have already been mined, 84% of the total supply. Litecoin has a similar protocol. The mining rewards for Litecoin is reduced every 4 years as well. Similar to Bitcoin, 73% of Litecoin has already been mined. However, the total supply of Litecoin is 4 times that of Bitcoin. Litecoin halvening will occur 7th of August, 2019. The prices of digital silver are expected to witness massive volatility in the second quarter and the third quarter of 2019. Here's the history of the Litecoin price halvening. During the previous halvening event in 2015, the price volatility in cryptos was massive. The rise in Litecoin was more than 5 times before the month of the halvening event in 2015. However, the market characteristics were different then than they are now. Nevertheless, the charts indicate that Litecoin rise about 65 times from $1.50 to $98 from 2015 to 2019. So there you go, guys. There it is. I'm excited about this happening, and hopefully you guys have been stacking Lite. I think Litecoin is a sound coin. I think it's going to be here to stay. It's a blue chipper, and you know, it's almost not as old as Bitcoin, but it's a gunner. I'd rather hold Litecoin than Bitcoin Cash, me personally, and especially their intention to adopt Mimblewimble, although that has been, you know, that speculation has become more silent lately. I haven't heard much chatter about that in the past month, but hopefully they're still gunning for that. And listen, guys, I would follow this because usually, you know, Bitcoin may follow something similar. As, you know, next year, Bitcoin's going to have the halvening. And I think that we may see some volatility like no other. You know my call, guys. I'm looking for a $1 trillion market cap sometime next year, close to the halvening. And all the crypto, we could go back to all-time highs, maybe even a $30,000 Bitcoin. Okay? No one knows. I may be wrong. Okay? I may be wrong. I thought we were going to go down to 73 this week, and we only went down to like 75, 76. Okay? And look where we're at now, stronger than ever. And in fact, the price now of the bits is stronger than I expected it to be at this point. I was calling for about an $8,000 Bitcoin price by the end of this year, and we're already there. Now, we may touch 10K, maybe we'll pull back. You know, I think the real kaboom's going to happen next year, if you ask me. Freaking Crazy's here. He says, need Litecoin to hit 350, hopefully. Jose says, Litecoin's now accepted a la carreta. All right. Bitcoin and Litecoin for Rafterman. Indeed, Captain Ron says currently hiding at work to listen. All right, Ron, shout out to you. Silver Crypto says smash the likes. Indeed, guys, touch all the buttons for me. Button it up. Stay sprucey. Stay clean out there. I need you guys rocking, you know, these long commie beards, wearing, you know, big clothes, wearing jerseys like it's 2007. Guys, clean it up. Clean it up. Button it down. And, stay sprucey, guys. Shout out to Zilla. Boy, what a difference a day makes. Saw the lights price yesterday and thought about picking up more. I think Litecoin is a sound coin. In my opinion, I think it's a good one, you know, as an alternative to Bitcoin. You know the deal. It's been designed to be silver to Bitcoin's gold. And, you know, although Charlie Lee dumped the bag on us when it hit all-time highs, he called it. He says, if you know, you're not ready to hold the bag till $20, get out of here. And listen, Litecoin went down pretty low during the bear market. So that's what's going on. Jiggarome's feeling that Litecoin FOMO now too. It's still, it's still got some room to grow. The all-time highs for Litecoin was above 300. I think it was at 350, 330, somewhere around that. We can check it there on ATH Coin Index. Let's actually check that out. What was the all-time high for Litecoin? I think it was like 325. 360. Okay, you can see it there on all-time high coin index. Litecoin hit an all-time high of 360 back in December 2017. It's been 522 days since that. Thank you, Rafterman. Rafterman just dropped some ducats here in the bucket. Boom. For the nephew and niece. Thank you, Rafterman. I appreciate that. Thank you so much. Guys, the super chat's open. Don't show up to the party here empty-handed. Okay? Come with a little bottle, a little smoke or something. Don't want to come to the party as one of those guys that wants to consume everything and doesn't produce anything. Okay, drop a couple ducats here in the bucket. Follow Rafterman's lead. The tip jar is open here via Super Chat. You can also send via the Brave browser. And if you haven't downloaded the Brave browser, I'm going to say it in all my broadcasts. Adopt a crypto-friendly application, a crypto-friendly browser that blocks ads and allows you to earn BAT tokens if you choose to view ads. You can download it via the link that I have down below, and that also supports the channel. I believe that if you download it via my link, they give me like $5 worth of BAT, something like that. So you guys know what's going on. Freaking Crazy says, been holding Litecoin for years, never selling until it goes beyond all-time high. There you go, Freaking Crazy. And you know how I am. Listen, I've been holding it since, Charlie Lee dumped the bag. And if you remember when he did that, I was calling him out, and I was, feeling some type of way, okay, when he dumped the bag on us. And I held all the way down. I held all the way down because I'm a believer. And I continue to hold these Litecoins past the all-time high, hopefully. Now, listen, I smell a bull run cooking. I smell a bull run cooking for all of crypto, but I don't know if it's necessarily going to happen this year. I'm waiting till next year. Maybe I'm a little more conservative than some of the boomers out there. I know you guys have been waiting patiently here. This bear market since 2017, it's taken a toll on a lot of people. Okay, but we're still here, and this market is looking healthier today than it was just a few months ago. So shout out to the boomers. Thank you, Rafterman, for the $2. Let's talk about the Facebook global coin and get your opinions, and I'll share mine as well. Facebook is going to roll out the global coin crypto in 2020, says this report. Okay, this is out of CoinDesk. Social media giant is set to roll out its own crypto dubbed the global coin in 2020. Sounds like some globalist commie stuff, if you ask me. The champ is not on Facebook. I want nothing to do with Zuck the Cuck, and you will not catch me holding this coin. This is fake crypto in my personal opinion. Okay, watch out for this one. Social media giant Facebook set to roll out its own cryptocurrency dubbed global coin. I don't think it would even be crypto. I don't think there's going to be any privacy involved here in this coin, and I doubt anyone will be able to mine it, if you ask me. The News and Broadcasting Organization on Friday said that Facebook is planning to launch the crypto-based payment system in a dozen countries by the first quarter of 2020 and is looking to start trials by the end of this year. Facebook has apparently sought advice from officials of the U.S. Treasury and the U.S. and the Bank of England. So, these guys are in bed with the alphabet agencies. I want nothing to do with Zuck or his bagels. Okay, please. But, some people are going to get erect. I know you guys out there, the normies, whenever they hear backed ETF or anything like this, Facebook, and they get a hard on. Okay, and I want nothing to do with it. I'm going to be honest with you. I want nothing to do with it. More details about Facebook's crypto plan are expected to be revealed in the coming months, the report says. Now, this is not to say that the coin may not boom, because there's going to be a lot of normies that may jump on it. Okay. Thanks again, Rafterman. I appreciate you guys. Captain Ron says, no thanks on the Zuck Bucks. Yeah, I'll pass on that. Shout out to Saeed. He's back in the game. Let me drop a bomb for Saeed. There you go. Rafterman was preaching for Litecoin all the way down. Indeed, I know you're a believer. Silicon Valley social media has drawn the lines which leads down a path of doom and gloom. Indeed, I want nothing to do with it, CryptoZilla. I'm not going to be holding this bag. I won't. It's toxic to crypto. Let's keep it 1,000, guys. these fake crypto coins, these counterfeit cryptos. There's nothing cryptographic about it. This is probably just a glorified database like Ripple. Facebook and social media giants will be broken up, says Freaking Crazy. You know, I think you may be expecting way too much from the state. You think that they're going to break them up, to favor you. I don't know. I think they're in bed with the state. You know, I think that this is Facebook and maybe CIA for all we know. Salute to the best crypto channel this lifetime. Salute to the comrades in the trenches and the power bomb, soy boys and the bagel. Shout out to Crypto Task Force, our crypto brother out there. I appreciate you, Task Force. Stay booming, stay strong out there, always with the positive comments. I appreciate you. Guys, drop a positive comment here like Task Force. Share this on your social media feeds, including the fake book if you have an account, but Champ is not there. And go ahead and drop a positive comment. Do it now. If you don't have any bucks to drop here in the ducket, any ducats to drop here in the bucket, that's all good. If you're a broke boomer, let's change it. Let's change it. Hopefully we can change that sooner than later. Download the Brave browser. You can earn some BAT tokens. Go ahead and share this. That's most important. Drop some positive energy here on the Champ. And if you can, drop a little tip. I appreciate it all the same. This will just fade to one side because they are cutting voices, says CryptoZilla, talking about that Facebook. When do you expect top 30 alts to rise hard, says Saeed. Listen, Saeed, we're already seeing a lot of green on the field right now. If you've seen CoinMarketCap here at the beginning of the broadcast, there's plenty of green right now. All the coins, the majority of them are on the rise. Litecoin especially is moving, and that may be due to speculation of the halving that will occur in August. Usually that creates more of a demand, the scarcity of the coin. You could see almost all the coins are green. To answer your question, Saeed, I don't think that we're going to see the major boom till we approach the Bitcoin halving next year. Be honest with you guys. I think we're going to have to wait a little bit more. We may even go up to 10K this year, but I think the major boom that may be comparable to 2017 will come next year. Hopefully I'm wrong, and this happens this summer. Hopefully I'm wrong, and we could boom back to 20K this summer, and I can start crip walking on you guys. I can bring out more sirens and Apache helicopters. We can go on complete offensive and drop bombs on all the soy boys and all the crypto cucks worldwide. But if you ask me the question, I'm going to give you an honest answer. Shout out to the pothead with the thumbs up. Mark D says, EOS nice and erect today, no homo. Yeah, it's looking strong, performing very hard, no homo. Wow, 8K great, says Crypto Task Force. Yeah, it's better than I thought. Right now, it's better than I thought. Let's be 100% here. It's better than the Champ thought. I thought we were going to pull back to 73 this week. We did pull back a little bit, 76, 77, but not as low as I thought. So this is a good sign. Holding my 5x ETH leverage from yesterday, kabooming. Shout out to Mark D. There's calls that, Ethereum may go back to double digits. I told you guys earlier this week, I'm not convinced with Ethereum. And I got a bag. I just don't know whether I should, it's kind of like, I would say that I'm, maybe too much emotionally attached to that bag since I've been holding it for such a long time. But, I realize that the ETH upgrade may take a year, 2 years, or may never, ever come. Crypto Task Force says, I'm happy for Litecoin. Huge fan of OG top 10 coins, even ETH. Hope Vitalik stops drinking milk and switch to Weeders Pro Weight. I'm not even sure he's drinking milk, Task Force. He's drinking soy, maybe a little almond milk here and there. And I don't see him drinking any whole milk. He's probably a vegan. He's struggling to put any weight on and any muscle on. Kaboom, did I miss the sirens? No, I didn't put out any sirens today. I don't think we're officially in a bull run yet. I did one earlier this week. I sounded some sirens, but, we're not any higher than we were before. We haven't hit a new all-time high for the year just yet. So, I got those sirens on hold where I call out all the platoon members and we can go on the full offensive. I just don't think we broke through that. 83. Okay, 83 is the resistance level that I'm looking to crack. I think once we crack 83,